Hi, I'm Bob, and welcome to Between the Sheets, where we look at Microsoft Excel and related technologies. I want to show you a brand new Excel feature that's simple and quick, but it can help you a lot when editing a large worksheet. In the Windows edition of Excel 365, when you click a cell, the sheet can now make it much easier to see which row and column the selection is. So let's take a look and see how it works. This is so simple, you're going to love it. Now, when you click a cell, of course, this is nothing new to you. You can see that it's selected, and when you want to see what column or row it's in, you just kind of look up here. Okay, I can see that's in column E. Look over to the left, I see that's highlighted, that's row 9. Okay, so that's nothing different. But what I'm going to do is on the ribbon bar, I'm going to go to the View tab. And in the Show group, you see it says Focus Cell. I'm going to click that, and look at that. Now, any cell that I click, this shows me very clearly what column and what row it's in. Now, would you prefer a different color? No problem. Click the drop down on Focus Cell, choose Focus Cell Color, and just choose another color. So like that, go back. Again, you could choose whatever color you like. Now, you notice when you go in there, it just says Standard Colors. But if there's other colors you use in the workbook, they will also be available in that list. So for example, where I've got this subheader here, let me turn this focus cell off so I can see what I'm doing. So when I click on this, sales first half year, I'm going to go to the Home tab. I'm going to change the color of the font. So I'll click this drop down, and instead of choosing one of these standard colors, I'm going to go here, choose more color, and I'll go to custom. I want kind of a coffee-ish color. So maybe I will come down here, got to raise this a little bit. So I've got this kind of tan-ish color like that. And I'm going to click OK. So that gives me the color of that text. Okay, no big deal. But let's click back here. When I go back to the View tab and hit the drop down, I'm going to turn on Focus Cell. It's still the same color we had before, but now when I hit the drop down, go to Focus Cell Color. Hey, there's that recent color, and I can choose that, and that now becomes the color. And that's the same thing, like if I'm still on the Home tab, and I go here to maybe the fill, if I want to fill the cell, I've got that recent color, or I want to change the color of that font, I have that recent color. So that's a recent color, that's just part of Excel as normal. And that belongs to this workbook. So if I save this workbook, come back, reopen it later, that color will still be there. But that custom color will not be there if I create a brand new worksheet. And that has nothing to do with Focus Cell, that's just the way Excel deals with colors. Okay, maybe this isn't the most earth-shattering feature Excel ever got, but you see it can be very useful in a large worksheet. And keep two things in mind. As of now, the Focus Cell feature is available only in the Windows edition of Excel 365, and you need to make sure to update your installation of Excel. If you still don't have it available, you might have to wait a little while until it becomes available. Feature rollouts sometimes take a few months. So until next time, my name is Bob, and this has been Between the Sheets.